The fastest and easiest way to become rich and making $10,000 a month. What if I told you that you could create an entire YouTube empire with more than tens of thousands of dollars in profit in a single month, without ever showing your face or recording a single clip yourself? In this video, I'll show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel using nothing but AI tools. And by the end of this, you'll have everything you need to launch your channel today. First, let's talk about why faceless YouTube channels are a goldmine right now. These channels are perfect for making money fast and do not spend years for making a stupid offline business on which you will lose tons of money. Some of the most successful YouTube channels, like educational videos, storytelling, and even top 10 lists, are dominated by faceless channels. And here's the best part. By using AI tools, you can automate a lot of the hard work, save time, and create high-quality content that stands out. From scrap to gold mining, there's an AI tool for every part of the process. So, even if you don't know anything about it or someone with no time and money, this is the best decision of your life because we're just getting started. The first step to starting your faceless channel is choosing a niche. A niche is the specific topic your channel will focus on, and picking the right one is crucial for your success. Here are 3 AI-friendly niches to consider. Educational content. Create videos that teach people skills like productivity, personal finance, or tech tutorials. Entertainment. Focus on storytelling, top 10 lists, or fascinating facts. Lifestyle. Cover topics like healthy living, minimalist hacks, or motivational content. Once you've chosen a niche, make sure it's something you're interested in and that has a proven audience. AI tools can help you research trends and keywords to validate your niche before diving in. Now, let's dive into the tools you'll need to create your faceless channel. Script writing, ChatGPT voiceovers, 11 Labs. Video creation, platforms like Pictory or Synthesia let you create entire videos using AI. You can turn your script into a video with stock footage, animations, or even AI-generated avatars. Thumbnails. Use design tools like Canva or AI-based options like Photor to craft eye-catching thumbnails that will give your SEO and analytics. Tools like Vidic and TubeBuddy help you optimize your video titles, tags, and descriptions for maximum visibility. They'll also help you track your growth. Let's walk through creating your first video step by step. Generate a script. Start by brainstorming a video idea using trending topics in your niche. Use ChatGPT to create a detailed, engaging script. For example, if your niche is tech tutorials, you might write 5 best AI tools for beginners. Record a voiceover. Input your script into 11 Labs to generate a voiceover. Choose a voice style that matches your channel's tone. Create visuals. Upload your script into Pictory or Synthesia. The AI will pair your voiceover with relevant stock footage, animations, or even an avatar if you choose. We will use CapCut to edit our videos. It's free, and to use design a thumbnail. Use Canva to create a bold and clickable thumbnail. Remember, this is the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Once your video is ready, it's time to publish it. Here's how to optimize and promote your content. Optimize for SEO. Use VidIQ or TubeBuddy to find high-ranking keywords and include them in your video title, description, and tags. Schedule. Smartly. Post your video at times when your target audience is most active. Check YouTube analytics for insights. Promote on social media. Share your video on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok to drive additional traffic. Engage with viewers. Respond to comments and encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and share your content. Interaction boosts visibility. Congratulations on publishing your first video. Now, let's talk about scaling. Consistency is key. Aim to post regularly, whether that's once a week or more. Use AI tools to batch create content and stay ahead of schedule. As your channel grows, explore monetization options like AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with the power of AI, you'll have a major advantage. Keep learning, experimenting, and improving. And that's it. You now know how to start a faceless YouTube channel using just AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI-powered YouTube tips. Let me know in the comments what niche you're planning to tackle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.